Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit the footer in WordPress. Let's get started. So I have this page right here, so let's head over and then just try to customize it. Click on this customize option right here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the customizer of WordPress. So here it is right here, just head over and scroll down until you can see in here this homepage settings. Click on that right here, and then from in there you can see the static post, homepage, post page, and all that. Make sure that this one is your display. Now, once you have done that, you can see in here this option for colors. So click on colors right here, and you can see in here's header and footer background color. So here's my footer right here. As you can see, I have a GIF for that, and also some other things. So for example, let's try to change the color for that. Let's make it purple. It will change into a purple. So you can also change out the things that has been added right here. This one is actually a footer menu, and this one can be removed using CSS. So just head over and then just choose which or what method you're gonna do in order to edit out your footer. Or if the color is only the thing that you want to edit, then head over and then click on the save changes. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.